Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're diving deep into the top 5 best latex paint sprayers you can buy right now. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or someone tackling a big home improvement project, these sprayers promise to make your painting jobs faster, easier, and more professional looking. I'll break down each product's features, performance, and value to help you make the best choice. As always, the product links are in the description below, so you can check them out for more details. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Tilswall HVLP paint sprayer. This ultralight paint sprayer is designed for comfort and ease of use, featuring aerospace-grade materials that reduce its weight by 47%. The ergonomic handle ensures fatigue-free operation, making it a great choice for extended projects. With a 20 fluid-ounce detachable cup and tool-free assembly, it's perfect for beginners and seasoned painters alike. Performance-wise, the Tilswall sprayer delivers a silky smooth finish thanks to its adjustable flow control knob and interchangeable nozzles, 1.5mm and 2.0mm. Whether you're painting furniture, fences, or walls, its 3 spray patterns, horizontal, vertical, and round, offer versatility for a range of tasks. However, its 0.6-quart tank may require frequent refills for larger projects. In terms of value, this sprayer is ideal for smaller DIY projects and beginners due to its lightweight design and intuitive controls. It may not have the sheer power of higher-ranked models, but it's a solid entry point for casual users. Pros include its lightweight construction and ease of use, while cons are its smaller tank capacity and the need for paint thinning for best results. At number 4, we have the Mirror Zone Paint Sprayer Tool. This sprayer boasts a powerful 1000 W motor, offering excellent performance for a variety of painting tasks. Its adjustable flow control and spray width knob give you precise control over the paint output, minimizing overspray and maximizing coverage. The 1400 milliliter container is larger than most, reducing the need for frequent refills. The sprayer's standout feature is its 4 brass nozzle sizes, which allow you to switch between thin sealers and heavier latex paints. Combined with 3 spray patterns, vertical, horizontal, and circular, it's a versatile option for furniture, cabinets, and house painting projects. The double-layer insulation and temperature protection fuse ensure safety during prolonged use, making it a reliable choice for bigger tasks. In terms of user experience, the Mirror Zone sprayer is easy to clean, with tool-free disassembly and included accessories like cleaning brushes and a clogging needle. However, its heavier weight, 3 pounds, can cause fatigue during extended sessions. This sprayer is best suited for intermediate users who want a balance between power and ease of use. Pros include its powerful motor and large paint capacity, while cons are its slightly bulky design and potential for user fatigue. Coming in at number 3 is the Tilswall 700W HVLP electric paint sprayer. This model is packed with features, including 5 brass nozzles ranging from 1mm to 3mm and 3 spray patterns to handle a variety of projects. Its 1200 milliliter container offers ample capacity, reducing downtime for refills. This sprayer excels in adjustability, with a flow control knob that allows you to tailor the paint output to your specific needs. Whether you're working on intricate furniture pieces or large walls, the Tilswall delivers consistent and even coverage. The powerful motor supports a maximum viscosity of 100 dins, making it compatible with a wide range of paints, from latex to varnishes. While its performance is impressive, the Tilswall does require proper cleaning after each use to prevent clogging. The included cleaning tools make this process straightforward, but it's a step you can't afford to skip. This sprayer is ideal for DIYers who want professional-level results at home. Pros include its power and versatility, while cons are its slightly heavier design and the need for meticulous cleaning. Taking the second spot is the EcoCraft paint sprayer. This model is a DIYer's dream with a 1200 milliliter translucent container that allows for easy monitoring of paint levels. Its 600-watt motor delivers smooth, clog-free performance, making it a reliable option for both beginners and experienced users. One of its most unique features is the magnetic suction hose, which rotates 360 degrees to follow your movements. This ensures a continuous paint flow, even when spraying at odd angles. With 3 brass nozzles and 3 spray patterns, the EnoCraft provides excellent versatility for projects ranging from furniture to house painting. What sets the EnoCraft apart is its hassle-free cleanup. The quick flush adapter and disposable paint bag make switching colors and cleaning up a breeze. While it's slightly heavier than some competitors, its thoughtful design and ease of use make it a strong contender for your next paint sprayer. Pros include its innovative design and user-friendly features, while cons are its higher weight and price point. Finally, at number 1, we have the HomeRite C800971.A Superfinish Max. This paint sprayer is the ultimate all-rounder, offering 450 watts of power and compatibility with a wide range of materials, including latex paints, stains, and varnishes. It comes with 3 brass spray tips for precise application and 3 adjustable spray patterns for maximum versatility. The Superfinish Max is lightweight and easy to handle, with intuitive controls that make it suitable for beginners and pros alike. Its adjustable air cap and material flow control knob allow you to fine-tune the spray for any project, from cabinets to fences. Plus, the 40-liter fall-ounce capacity strikes a good balance between portability and efficiency. What truly sets this sprayer apart is its value. At just $70.83, it offers premium features at a budget-friendly price. Backed by a 2-year warranty and U.S.-based customer service, the HomeRite Superfinish Max is the best choice for anyone looking to achieve professional results without breaking the bank. Pros include its affordability, versatility, and ease of use, while cons are minimal, with only occasional clogging reported during extended use. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this detailed comparison of the top 5 best latex paint sprayers. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews. If you have any questions about these products, drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. See you in the next video.